Now
This
it will be
conference will
audible.
now be
So what
recorded.
is a string? String is nothing but a group of characters. How you can represent a strings? Either by using single quotes, double quotes, or triple double quotes, or triple single quotes. What are strings are immutable. Immutable means not modifiable. So what is the meaning of not modifiable? We can't perform any insertion operation, deletion operation, and fetching operations. And strings will be stored in contiguous memory location. How we can represent a strings in adjacent? Contiguous means adjacent memory location. One character after another character. Strings can be represented either in the positive indexing or negative indexing. See, positive indexing will be taken values from 0 to n minus 1. But negative indexing are taking values from minus n to minus 1. Okay. So like that. So if you want to retrieve any character, the characters will be retrieved by using index positions only. That may be positive indexing or that may be a negative indexing. Completed, Amma. Everyone, did you complete it up to this diagram? Completed? Hmm? Okay. So next we are going to see here basic operators, plus operator. See, if I am taking here ideally, you people know plus is a concatenation operator. Okay. So I am taking here new file shall. Okay. If I am giving here two strings, okay, hello plus I was giving here world, okay, so it was concatenating two strings. If you are giving hello plus in double quotations only, you can give any string, it will concatenate. Why? Because in double quotes you are representing integers, okay na, so that is the reason it was concatenating. For suppose you are giving hello plus 1 2 3, It will not be concatenate. Why? Because integer never concatenate with the string. Okay, so that is the reason it was not concatenating. Write down plus operator, basic operators, plus, keep a heading. Make it fast. You can write down example in the ideally. Completed, huh? So write down this example. Write down this. Don't write these three lines, okay? Time waste. Just hello plus 1 2 3. You will get an type error. Write down. That's it. Completed, Amma. Completed? Okay. Next one is nothing but an replication operator. Which operator? Replication operator. So see here, what is replication operator here? For suppose if you are taking Python shell, see I was giving here India into 4. So what you are giving here? India into 4. So it will be repeated for 4 times. Okay, it is before the string or after the string. Okay, so you need to give here basent. So basent is repeated for 2 times. So that is all about your replication operator. So plus and star indicates that basic operators for your strings. Okay, write down replication operator. Completed, Amma. Replication operator completed. So next one is nothing but membership operators. What we are calling it as an membership operators. So what are membership operators? We can see one example. So let us see here. You need to take yes is equal to I love my country. What we are going to take here? I love my country. Yes1 is equal to I was giving here my word. Yes2 is equal to I was giving here India. Now yes1 in yes. So true. My is a word which is present in the given string. So that is the reason it was retrieving a boolean value like true. For suppose yes to not in yes. Now it will be true. Why? Because India is a word which is not present in the given string. For suppose yes to in yes. Now it will be false. So those are nothing but membership operators. Which operators? Membership operators, right? In, not in. Membership operators. Very, very simple. There is no difficult. Just we will have some predefined operators and functions we need to apply on the particular string. Completed, Amma. Write down this example then. Write down this example from here to here. Don't write this one. Already completed na replication. You can write down from here to here. Completed, completed? Hmm? Okay. So next we are going to see here. Next one. Relational operators, I think. Relational operators. Greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Here, the strings will be compared either by using ASCII values or it can be used by Unicode. So, what is Unicode? It will be taken in the format of dictionary order. Okay. For suppose I was taking here some strings. Okay. India and less than or equal to Indonesia. Okay. So what it was retrieving? Yes, India is less than or equal to Indonesia. Why? Because IND is common, but here I and here you are taking it as an O. Okay, na? O ASCII value is high, I ASCII value is less. So that is the reason it was returning true value. Which value? True value. For suppose I was giving India equal to India. Now also it is going to return true. For suppose I was giving India equal to uppercase letters. Now it will be false. Uppercase ASCII values are different. Lowercase ASCII values are different. Okay. If I am giving here India greater than or equal to Indonesia. So now it will be false. India is not greater than or equal to Indonesia, or greater than or equal to, or greater than or less than. Anything you can take. So now write down relational operator. Don't write the examples, just write down this definition. Examples you can write down in the ideally. Completed a definition. Example shall I keep? Write down. Is there any difficulty to represent a strings? No. Very easy or not? Just you have to remember operators. And we are having 18 methods. We will discuss if these operators are completed. Completed everyone, did you complete it or not? Okay, fine. Shall I close it? Okay. So next we are going to see here slice, and you have to write down this note point. An empty string takes 49 bytes of memory. Write down note point. An empty string takes how many bytes of memory? 49. See, you can declare the variable. You can keep empty double quotes, but you are not passing any string into it. Then by default, how many bytes it will take? 49 bytes. And space is also considered as a character. Don't write this one. Did you write in the definition? No, na. So write down. Space is considered as a character in strings. I have discussed it in the paint, but here I did not discuss. No, write down. Space is considered as a character in strings. Space is considered as a character in strings. Completed. So now see here. So slice notation. What is the next topic we are discussing? Slice notation. See, it can be defined as substring, which is a part of a string. Further substring can be obtained from a string. So syntax is string name, starting index, ending index. Or you can give only ending index. Or you can give starting index. Or you can give starting, ending, and you need to give step value. Or you can give string name. You can give -1. It will print the string in reverse order. Okay. So now see here, I want to explain one example for the slice operator. So let us see here, S is equal to, today we are discussing string methods. Okay, you are given like this. Okay, now I have given fourth character to 15th character. It will retrieve, see, 0 1 2 3 4. So 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Okay, up to 14 characters it will print. It won't print any 15th character. So 4th to 15th below 14th character. Okay, so or you can give starting index. Okay, but don't give any ending index. After 15th character, whatever the string you are having, that will be printed. For suppose you don't give any starting index, but you can give only ending index 10 characters. So it was retrieving or not. Next, yes of, you can give second index to 20th index. You need to retrieve every second character. You need to retrieve every second character. See, 0 1 2. So initially it will print D. Next it will print second character Y. Next second character W. Next second character space. Next second character R. Next second character space. Next second character is I. So like that, every second character should be printed onto the screen. That is nothing but step value. So next, yes of, don't give starting index, ending index. If you are giving -1, so it will print the entire string in reverse order. Now you know positive indexing, but you don't know negative indexing. So if you are giving here -1 to -4, it won't print anything. Okay, negative indexing na. So you need to give -4 to -1, but you should not give -1 to -4. Now you can give yes of -4 to -1. It was retrieving the characters or not, right? So like that you can implement slicing operator. Which operator? Slicing operator. So you can do one thing. So write down up to here only. Example you can write down in the ideally. Okay na? Write down. Scroll up. Okay, slice notation. Oh, okay, job. Completed, Amma. You have written this syntax also. This syntax you have written. If you are completed, you can tell to me. Scroll it. I will scroll it. Okay, na? If you are sitting like that, I don't understand. Completed or not? Now you can write down these examples. Completed, Amma. Did you complete it? Shall I move? Shall I move to next topic? Make it fast. Online, everybody understood. Online, everybody understood strings. Did you complete it or not? Completed, huh? Madam? Completed? Completed? Okay. So next we are going to see here next topic. So that is nothing but methods. I told you not totally we are having 18 methods. So in that the first one is capitalize and title methods. What are the methods? Capitalize and title methods. So Python shell. So I was given here uh, here India dot capitalize method. So now you are making starting letter as a capital letter. Madam, you have given single word. I want to give a string. Okay, I was giving I love my country. So dot capitalize. Okay, so here the starting letter should only be a capital letter. For suppose I was giving here I love my country dot, you need to take here title. So now every word starting letter is nothing but an capital letter. Okay na? Every word starting letter it is an capital letter. Okay, so like that you can represent, you can differentiate between your title and capitalize. Now tell me what is capitalize. Every word starting character should be a capital letter. So what is title? Every word starting letter should be a capital letter. Okay, so that is the difference between your title and capitalize methods. Write down these two definitions. Examples you can write down in the ideally. Completed definitions. Examples also completed. You are writing your own examples. That is good. Completed or not? Everyone, did you completed? Can I discuss next method? Okay. So now write down. Second method is nothing but count method. So what is count method? Count number of times a substring occurs in a string between begin index and end index. Okay. So I want to show you one example how we are going to represent this count method. So let us see. I was giving here today we are discussing strings. Okay. So this is the string I have given. S is equal to I was given O character and S1 sorry here I need to give just wait. Why? Because S is replaced with again O character, na? So that is the reason. S is equal to today we are discussing strings. What we are going to discuss here? Strings. Okay. So I was given S is equal to S1 is equal to you are giving S character. S2 is equal to you are giving here O character. Now I was given S dot S is nothing but main string. S1 and S2 are substrings. Count of I was given S1. How many times S is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So count value you are getting it as an 5. In the same way, S dot count of S2. O is repeated how many times? Only one time. So that is nothing but count method. Which method? Count method. Write down. Definition write down. If completed, tell me. What is it? Completed, Amma. Everyone, did you completed? Completed? Example. Completed? Okay. So next we are going to see here ends with. What is the next one? Ends with. So let us take here ideally. So I was giving here I love my country. What we are going to take here? I love my country. Yes, one is equal to I was given here my word. Yes, two is equal to I was given here country. So now S dot you are giving here ends with of yes one. Yes one is a word. It is present in middle of the string, not in the end of the string. So that is the reason it is going to return false value. In the same way, yes dot ends with of yes to. So country is a word which is present in the end of the string. So now it was returning true value. Which value? True value. So that is the purpose of ends with method. Which method? Ends with method. Right? Very, very simple. There is no difficulty at all. Completed, Amma. Shall I keep ideally? Completed? Time. Still 5 minutes is there. We will discuss one more method. So next in the same way, we need to discuss about find and index methods. What do you need to take here? Find and index methods. If you are giving any word, it will tell you it is present in which index position. Did you understood or not? So that is the purpose of find and index. But there is a slight difference between find and index. I will tell you. So yes is equal to same here. You can give yes is equal to you can give here I love my country. What you are giving? I love my country. Yes one is equal to you are giving here my word. Yes two is equal to some other word you can give. Okay. Now yes dot find of yes one. So my is a word which is found at seventh index position. Yes dot index of yes one. So it is also printing my is a word which is found at seventh index position. Both are working like same. But if I am using yes dot find of s2. Actually st is a word which is not present in the given string, so it will return -1. If the string is not found in the main string, so then it is going to return -1. Okay, for suppose if you are using index method, okay, it will raise an error. What it will raise an error, so that is nothing but value error. Okay na, so that is the difference between your find and index methods. So write down find and index methods, write down only definitions. Completed the definitions, completed the definitions. Hmm. Write down this example. Completed, Amma? Everyone, did you complete it? Okay, it is already 12 now. For today, this is enough. We will continue with the remaining methods in tomorrow class. So, how many methods we have discussed till now? 5 methods. So, still we left with 13 methods. How many methods? 13. Tomorrow we will complete it. I think morning 9 to 10 it will be completed, and we will discuss arrays in 11 to 12. Okay, na? Okay, bye. So this week I need to start functions. I think Friday I need to start functions, but 2 hours it will be completed or not complete, not complete, I think. So Monday functions topic will be complete, I think. Okay. Then Tuesday onwards, I need to start a list, sets, maps, dictionaries. I need. After completing this, we need to discuss about oops. So much is there, na. So after that, we need to. I think maybe May first week or something like that. I need to complete it. Okay, na. We will see. We will try our level best. Okay. Bye for today. Meet you on tomorrow. Okay. Bye.